To practice the Taylor polynomial of order 0, 1 and 2 of a function of two variables, let us consider this very simple case. The function f is x divided by y, and we have the point x0 is 1 and y0 is 1. So if we find the function value f at 1, 1, this is 1 divided by 1 is 1. And this is the good value for the Taylor polynomial of order 0. So, approximation for the constant. If we consider the partial derivative of f with respect to y, with respect to x at the general point xy, then this is 1 over y. And we can find the partial derivative at the point x0, y0, which is 1 over 1, which is again 1. And we can consider the derivative with respect to y at the general point, which is now minus x divided by y squared. So the partial derivative of f with respect to y at the point x0, y0 is minus 1. Well, and from these two values, we can build t1, which will be t0, which is 1, plus 1 times x minus x0, which is 1, plus this, which is minus 1, times y minus 1. So this is t1 for this function at this point. To build t2, we want the second derivatives. So if we denote this by fx, and if we denote this by fy, then the derivative of f with respect to x twice is fxx, which is 0, fyy, the second derivative with respect to y, which is, this is y2 minus 2, so minus minus is plus x, y2 minus 3. And if we evaluate this at the point 1, 1, this is equal to 1. And then the mixed derivative with respect to x and with respect to y is minus 1 over y squared. Alternatively, we can take fy and differentiate with respect to x, which gives again minus 1 over y squared. And at the point 1, 1, this is equal to minus 1. So the Taylor polynomial of order 2 starts as t1, which is 1 plus x minus 1 minus y minus 1 plus 1/2 of the second derivative is 0 times x minus x0 squared plus the mixed derivative is minus 1, so minus, and we factor out 2, so we are at 2. We factor out 1/2, so we are at 2. Minus 1, 2 times the two brackets x minus 1 times y minus 1 plus the second derivative with respect to y, which is 1 times y minus y0 square. So this is the second order Taylor polynomial. It has the absolute part, the linear part, and the quadratic part. There is no term, there is nothing here because the second derivative with respect to x at this point is 0.